What's up, YouTube? It's me, Andrew. Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to solve a 2x2 in a fast amount of time. Ready, set, go.
What are you doing?
I'm solving a Rubik's Cube.
Okay.
It don't matter if you talk, you can talk.
Yeah, every time. But simple. That's what you get. And
40 seconds. Also, today, I know I haven't made a video in so long, guys. So, I'm gonna upload this one, and then in a couple hours, I'm gonna do a video with Nathan. This is Nathan right here. Say what's up.
what's up?
So, this is Nathan. I'm gonna do a video with him in like a couple hours or a couple minutes. So, I'm gonna solve this again faster. That's 1, that's 2, and that's 3. So I do the same scramble every time, just because. This one I might solve in like, my best on this scramble is 19 seconds. Ready, set, go. I don't know what happened. Dude. I'm gonna start right here because I messed up. Go. Crap. Ugh. This one's gonna be a little bit slower.
You messed up?
44 seconds. I didn't mess up. Okay. I'm gonna do the scramble I was gonna do. Last time I messed up, so I'm gonna do this scramble. Okay, this time I'm not gonna mess up. Ready, set, go.
Yes. How many minutes?
19 seconds.
Oh, yeah.
19.5. That's my best. Okay. I'm gonna do another one. You know, I'm gonna do a random scramble. Hold on. You, I have an idea. I will scramble it behind my back. Okay. This is a random scramble. I don't know what type of scramble it is. Nathan looked. It don't matter. Okay. You might hear music in the background. That's okay, though.
I do hear music.
Yeah, that's Katie.
Katie didn't hear that on the phone.
Okay. That's the... Also, tomorrow I'll do a video how to solve the 2x2. If y'all want to know how to solve it, because I'll do a tutorial on it. Oh crap. Okay. 37 seconds with a random scramble. I'm going to do another one. Okay. Also have a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, but I don't know how to solve it. Okay.
Hang on, let's go back.
Okay. Oh. Okay. I forgot to start the timer, but that's okay. I was on the right side. I kind of messed up. Oh no. Oh, I'm still good, guys. By the way, this is my phone. Ignore it has a pink case. I know that. This is my mom's old phone, and I got it. Okay. Another random scramble. It kind of tastes bad. Okay. I'm just showing me on the Rubik's Cube solves.
I could have some one of those.
37. Oh, cakes. I don't know. Okay, hold on. Okay.
I have a cake?
Ask Mom.
My mama?
Yeah.
I think I want a cake.
Did you know if you solve the cube and you keep going up
Maybe
and
you will
then
say
left?
yes.
Okay, get one. Okay, so if you solve it and keep going up and right, you'll solve it. It only works if you solved it though. Y'all know how those videos solving it in 2 algorithms? That's a fake. You can't do that. Actually, I think they just do editing tricks. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys. I have to end this video right here. So I would do more, but Nathan started to cry, and I didn't want to show him on camera. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all guys in a little bit. Bye. Oh no, he's getting mad.